Sizzling flavors, swift delights, quick and healthy Mexican recipes. Have you ever craved the zesty and vibrant flavors of Mexican cuisine but felt like it's too time-consuming or indulgent for your daily meals? Quick and Healthy Mexican Recipes promises to unveil the secrets behind preparing delicious and nutritious Mexican dishes in no time. But how can you capture the essence of Mexican flavors while ensuring your meals are quick and good for you? Join us on a tantalizing journey into the world of Mexican cooking, where you'll discover that the key to quick and healthy Mexican recipes is as close as your kitchen. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. The journey commences with the captivating concept of quick and healthy Mexican recipes, a culinary adventure that transcends the notion of time-consuming cooking. It's about understanding that Mexican cuisine can be both delectable and nutritious without requiring hours in the kitchen. Discover how this practice becomes the cornerstone of not just tasty meals but also a lifestyle that values the fusion of flavor and health, ensuring that you can savor your favorite Mexican dishes without the guilt. In a world where convenience often overshadows nutrition, the allure of preparing quick and healthy Mexican recipes becomes more pronounced. This is where the magic of smart ingredients captivates. Explore how this practice empowers you to make mindful choices, selecting fresh and wholesome ingredients that enhance the nutritional value of your meals. It's about transforming your relationship with Mexican cuisine, recognizing that you can relish the delightful flavors while maintaining a balanced and health-conscious diet. The journey takes an inspiring turn as we delve into the numerous benefits of embracing quick and healthy Mexican recipes. From enjoying the bold flavors of Mexican cuisine to obtaining essential nutrients from fresh ingredients and promoting healthier eating habits, you'll learn how this approach can significantly impact your overall well-being. Uncover the science behind how smart ingredient choices and cooking techniques can make Mexican dishes as nutritious as they are delicious. It's not just about culinary expertise, it's also about the art of infusing Mexican recipes with a health-conscious twist, creating a culinary experience that goes beyond taste. The captivating element of the journey lies in how you can enhance the nutritional value of traditional Mexican dishes without compromising their authenticity. Discover how this practice makes it possible to savor the richness of Mexican cuisine while reaping the benefits of a balanced diet. Quick and healthy Mexican recipes aren't about culinary sacrifices or complex cooking processes. They're about finding a harmonious balance between convenience, flavor, and health. We'll delve into various Mexican recipes, ingredient substitutions, and cooking tips that will help you make the most of your culinary adventures. Whether you're a seasoned chef or new to the world of Mexican cooking, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of quick and healthy Mexican recipes and enjoy the vibrant flavors of Mexico in a health-conscious way. Efficiency is a cornerstone of this journey. You'll find that preparing quick and healthy Mexican recipes can be a time-effective and practical approach to enjoying the flavors of Mexico while supporting your overall well-being. With the right knowledge and some smart culinary techniques, you can seamlessly integrate these recipes into your daily cooking, ensuring that you can relish Mexican cuisine as part of your healthy eating routine. Practical guidance is a vital part of this journey. We'll offer tips, techniques, and resources to help you embrace quick and healthy Mexican recipes as a means to embark on a flavorful journey of culinary creativity while maintaining a health-conscious diet. Whether you're seeking the joy of cooking or aiming to incorporate more healthful meals into your daily routine, you'll have all the tools you need to successfully unlock the secrets of quick and healthy Mexican recipes and enjoy the vibrant and savory world of Mexican cuisine. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.